November 8th, 2018. Caribou apiary, Nova Scotia, Canada. Took advantage of the warm day to feed my bees a little sugar syrup. Put a bottle out, Boardman feeder. It's warm, they'll take it. But are they ever taking it with a drop or two of that doTERRA lavender essential oil? Certain scents the bees will really go after. If you're putting fondant inside the hive, I'd put a couple drops into that, mix it up well. Helps them find it at the top of the hive, right? Lots of activity. Both of my colonies doing the same thing. Cooling off this weekend, but it's an interesting experiment. And I'm impressed with this. Continue to use that. And I hope the oil will also add some medicinal effect to the hive overall. Bees know what's good and what's not. I've introduced things to them in the past. Fake fondant with artificial flavorings and colorings. They will not take it. The bees know right from wrong and what's good or not for them. And you see they're all over that bottle. They're all over that lavender bottle. And I'm very impressed with the doTERRA products. And if you're interested, there's a link below the video. Check it out. Take care. Thanks for watching Caribou Apiary, November 8th, 2018. Let you listen to the bees for a bit.